Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe in CapCut PC to make a moving logo. Alright, select your video photo you want to edit and add to track and prepare your logo. I'm just going to add this Instagram logo. So make it as an overlay, put on top another clip and resize just for position. So how you can use keyframe to make it moving. So make sure on first frame and select the position and size, and at right can click keyframe button and swipe to the right and the timeline, and you can move the logo right. Swipe to the right again and move the logo, and so on, do as before until finish the video. Right, so this is the final effect. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.